Welcome back, lovely viewers. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: the use of onion juice as a potential hair regrowth solution. Can something as simple as onion juice really help you regain your lush locks? Let's find out. But before we get started, if you enjoy informative content like this, please do us a big favor and hit that subscribe button. Your support not only helps our channel, but also boosts the YouTube algorithm, allowing us to create more valuable content for you. First things first, let's talk science. A 2002 study published in the Journal of Dermatology, conducted by researchers at the National Institutes of Health, explored the effects of onion juice on hair regrowth. This study involved nearly 50 participants dealing with alopecia areata, a condition causing hair loss. They applied onion juice treatment twice a day. Surprisingly, the results were astonishing. After just 8 weeks, almost 87% of the participants showed signs of hair regrowth. However, it's crucial to note that this study was conducted on a relatively small scale and focused on alopecia areata, not male pattern baldness. While it's promising for those with this condition, it doesn't necessarily guarantee the same result for male pattern baldness. So, what's the secret behind onion juice? It's packed with essential nutrients like sulfur, which may aid in hair regrowth by improving blood circulation to the hair follicles. The study suggests that these nutrients might play a role in stimulating hair growth. Now, you're probably wondering how to use onion juice. It's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. Start by peeling and chopping an onion. Then, blend or extract the juice. Next, apply the freshly squeezed onion juice to your scalp, making sure to cover the entire area. Massage it in gently and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. In conclusion, while the 2002 NIH study showed promising results for alopecia areata, more research is needed to determine the effectiveness of onion juice for male pattern baldness. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. That's it for today's video. If you found this information intriguing and want more content like this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support goes a long way in helping our channel grow and keeps the valuable content coming. Now, before we wrap up, let's make a deal. Subscribe today and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on hair care tips or any questions you have. And as a token of our appreciation, here's a little rhyme for you. Subscribe for knowledge. Comment and let's acknowledge. Thanks for watching. By the way, we've included a link to the full NIH study in the video description for those who want to delve deeper into the science.